Mina, are you drinking from the carton again?
No way, Dad. That would be gross. Really gross.
Mina!
Oh, you guys are crazy, but I still love you.
Is it your bunny tummy?
Uh-huh.
Oh, pet, pet, pet. There. All
This symbol is now complete. Let the whole of the unworthy open!
Can you imagine what would happen if Bunnicula ate one of those things? It would be crazy!
Dino thing.
Bunnick?
What just happened?
Don't you judge me. I'm eating for 3 now. Huh?
Wait, Bunnicula, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you putting in your mouth? What is that? What is that? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Even though it might take a really long time. The kitchen! No!
You gotta get into the mind of your opponent. The mind is in the belly.
Better yet, a banana. Well, sweet dreams.
Nothing happened.
Fluffy orange!
Bunnicula, that was mine!
Yeah, not cool, man.
Better, you're gonna pay me back. Oh, that was good. Oh, I sense that something is wrong with the natural order. There it is. We're good.
Wait, what are you doing with that cabbage? Wait! Come back! Gross! I can taste it!
Yes.
If Bunnicula really did go to find a black hole...
Oh! Oh, that is rancid.
Awful.
Buns.
I can taste
Powerful
it.
work, sir. Wow.
Yeah, he's not coming back anytime soon. that little rascal were with us right now. Bunnicula, no!
That apple was for Snow White! What?
Oh, my precious little Bun-Bun's all full from draining those vegetables.
Okay, but how's he supposed to drain the carrot with no bangs? What? He can just grow them back?
Nice one, Bun.
Oh. Oh, really?
My beautiful costume. Although, my outfit doesn't hold a candle to some of these other costumes. So lifelike.
Uh-oh. I don't think that was a good idea.
Well, I hope you learned your lesson this time.
Pardon me. Okay, all better.
All of the vegetables and most of the minerals.